The high chair is the perfect place to practice the 2x4 exercise because you have an automatic 2x4 and vertical poles to hold on to. Place a pad on the edge of the chair and stand on it parallel feet, toes pointing straight ahead, holding onto the poles. Grow tall as you bend your knees, heels are lifted high, and then stretch your heels down as far as you can, then straighten your knees and lift your heels high again. Bend your knees, lower your heels way down, straighten your knees, lift your heels high. One more time, bend your knees, stretch your heels down, keep your heels down and straighten your legs. Lift your heels high and reverse. Lower your heels down, bend your knees forward, lift your heels high, 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 and then stretch up tall through your knees. Heels lower, bend your knees, keep pulling your lower abs as you lift your heels high and stretch your legs up. Lower your heels. Make sure your knees track over the center of your toes as you do this and they don't wobble out to the side or inward towards each other. You can also do this exercise on one foot. It's more challenging. You lower your heel, bend your knee, lift your heel, and straighten your leg. Repeating this exercise with the knee tracking over the center of the foot. Always make sure that your knee tracks correctly to help condition the leg properly. You're building strength and flexibility at the same time throughout your calf, ankle, throughout the thigh, throughout the seat. You're pulling up through your spine to keep your body from compressing as you move through your leg. Repeat 3 to 5 times in each direction and change to the other foot. You'll notice that one leg feels different than the other. One leg will likely feel weaker than the other leg. This is normal. Just keep practicing and it will get better, it will get stronger. You'll always probably have one leg that's different than the other. This is just the way our bodies are made and it's perfectly normal. Many people will have very stiff ankles and it will be impossible to lower the heels to the floor. Again, this is also normal. Once you've finished your repetitions, place both feet onto the chair and give your heels a brief stretch down towards the floor just to give a little bit of relief after the movements. Lowering your heels down and step off with control.